YouTube celebrities are today's self-made celebrities. They have built an audience by creating video content aimed at teaching, entertaining, reviewing, and becoming awesome on the internet. Making money on YouTube might not be your main reason for starting a channel, but when you see how many ways there are to do so, it's a pleasant surprise. Fortunately, there are some unique ways to make money on YouTube. Your audience may be the key to your YouTube channel's earning potential, as is often the case with Instagram influencers or bloggers. However, YouTube is especially good for creating multiple revenue streams through side hustles or businesses that let you make money. Actually, YouTube is a very popular side hustle that you can start right now from the comfort of your own home, and each one has the potential to earn you hundreds of dollars every single day. That's right, you could be making money from YouTube even while you're resting comfortably in your own bed. Let's dig a little deeper into each of these YouTube income streams. Number 1, join the YouTube Partner Program. Joining the YouTube Partner Program and setting up monetization is a must for anyone who wants to make money on YouTube. For that, you must agree to YouTube's monetization policies and live in a supported country or a region. After 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past year, you can apply for monetization. To make money with YouTube, you have to enable YouTube monetization, then read and agree to the YouTube Partner Program rules. Then connect your channel to a Google AdSense account because paying requires an AdSense account. When we talk about YouTube's premium service, with a paid membership to YouTube Premium, users can watch videos without being interrupted by ads, and creators will get paid for content that is available exclusively to YouTube Premium subscribers. Creators on YouTube Premium receive payment based on the amount of time users spend watching their videos. Although a lot of YouTube creators frequently rely on advertising as their primary source of passive income, however, Google retains 45% of all ad revenue. We think YouTubers need to explore other revenue opportunities in order to keep their hobby going. On the other hand, it is possible to monetize your channel without using AdSense. Number 2, sell products or merchandise. You can make a lot of money off your YouTube channel by selling a variety of different things. Selling merchandise such as t-shirts, coffee mugs, tote bags, snapbacks, and so on has a number of advantages in addition to financial gain. Your online brand and personality can be brought into the real world through the use of merchandise, which helps you get more attention. Your relationship with your supporters who buy into what you're doing will also be strengthened as a result. As an example, within Roman Atwood's shop, he and a number of other designers sell a diverse selection of products under the Smile More brand. Selling branded products is not as difficult as it might appear at first. Freelance sites such as Fiverr allow users to order designs that are customized for particular products, such as t-shirts at affordable prices. And when it comes to taking care of orders, you can connect your store to services such as DSers or one of the providers of print-on-demand services that will handle things like shipping and customer service. You will have less work to do on your end by contacting someone who runs a print-on-demand business for this. You could also collaborate with a network such as DFTBA, that's Don't Forget to Be Awesome, which already assists creators in selling their products to sell your creations. However, you will be required to compete with other YouTube creators, and you will have to control adding products, offering discounts, and integrating your content. And also, you can get more benefits from having your own e-commerce website. You can even take it a step further by making and selling your own one-of-a-kind product and running your business through your YouTube channel. For example, you can create a YouTube channel called Beautiful Hair and make videos about hair and sell hair extensions through it. As a YouTuber, you have a higher chance of success than the average store owner because you have a source of content that reliably directs customers to your establishment. And also, you have the confidence of your own audience, which you have gained by providing them with complementary content that is consistent with your brand. Number 3, license your content to the media. You might be able to license your content and make money if you make a video that goes viral and is popular with a lot of people, like a funny clip of your dog. If your videos become popular enough to go viral, various media outlets such as morning shows, online news sites, and other content producers may contact you to inquire about the rights to use them. In addition, you have the option of listing your videos in a marketplace such as trusted media brands, where it will be simpler for the appropriate individuals to locate and purchase your content. For example, after a video of a woman wearing a Chewbacca mask went viral, a great number of news organizations wanted to cover the story. Number 4. Working with brands as an influencer. The typically sizable advertising budgets of companies are increasingly being put towards paying influencers who have already established a loyal following among their respective audiences. This can be seen in the way that sponsorships and marketing through influencers are becoming increasingly popular. This presents a tremendous opportunity for you if you're a creator and are skilled in the art of negotiation and business. According to research carried out by WebFX, some of the potential revenue streams that can be generated through the use of influencer marketing on YouTube are as follows. A YouTube user who has 10,000 subscribers will receive $200 for each video that they upload, while a user who has 100,000 subscribers will receive $2,000 for each video that they share, and a user who has 1 million subscribers will receive $20,000 for each video. Your ability to negotiate a better deal with a brand that is a good fit for your audience may depend on your leverage, which includes the demographics of your audience, the quality of the content you produce, and how unique and profitable your niche is. If you have leverage, you'll be able to negotiate a better deal with a brand that is a good fit for your audience. The most important thing to remember when working with a brand to create sponsored content is to be honest about it. Don't promote anything you don't really like or believe in, and be open and honest with your audience about why you do what you do. You can get found by both big and small brands if you add your channel to one of the many influencer marketplaces. Upfluence and CrowdTap are just a few examples of that. CrowdTap. With CrowdTap, you have to do a number of tasks along with making content to get money and other rewards. The most valuable thing is that there is no minimum number of followers you have to have before you can join. Upfluence. Upfluence is a full platform for influencers with a list of more than 3 million online opinion leaders. Customers can use Upfluence to find creators based on keyword they chose and then get in touch with those creators to form partnerships. Some influencer marketplaces will give you free products, and there are a lot of big brands that are willing to pay more. You should take advantage of the opportunities that work best for you, but you should also list yourself in as many places as possible so that your channel gets the most exposure. Number 5. Become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing can be defined as the practice of generating revenue in the form of a commission through the promotion of a product or a service that is manufactured by another company. You can become an affiliate marketer for many different brands, and you can change your marketing plan to include product placements, endorsements, and other types of content. If you use your YouTube channel to provide product reviews, then this strategy has a particularly good chance of being successful for you. It is typically not difficult to get started because there is no risk involved on the part of the brand because they only pay when they make sales, which makes the barrier to entry relatively low. Because of this, getting started is not particularly difficult. There are 2 of the most common affiliate programs that are ClickBank and Amazon's affiliate network. ClickBank gives commissions ranging from 1% to 75% depending on what the vendor decides. In addition, Amazon's affiliate network paid up to 10% commission on each sale. You could also get in touch with brands that are relevant to your specialized market and are operating their very own affiliate programs, which is not unheard of in the world of online retailing. In addition to ClickBank and Amazon, you could also get in touch with other brands that are pertinent to your specific market and are running their own affiliate programs. We can assure you that by following these 5 methods, you can earn a lot of money through YouTube. Do you know, as of January 2021, each of the top 5 YouTube creators had a following that was in the tens of millions? Rhett and Link, Unspeakable, and Jake Paul are among the users who have accounts on this YouTube platform. These YouTube creators bring in annual revenue of more than $28.5 million through their channels. Even smaller accounts have the potential to make a living off of YouTube, despite the fact that the earnings of larger accounts are much higher. If you're curious about information like this, we encourage you to stay with our channel. If you press the bell button, you will be able to watch our videos as soon as they are released. And you can comment in the comment section below to share your thoughts. So don't forget to subscribe to us.